So we came up with the top 10 reasons to convert a cargo trailer into a camper.
The number one reason is the price, of course.
Probably the most affordable way to graduate above tent camp. Even teardrops right now are more expensive than doing a cargo conversion.
Because it's easier to park.
The size is far more doable than some of these land yachts.
Number 3 is it's completely custom.
You do these things yourself. You're customized. You build it exactly the way you want it to suit your needs.
Number 4, lighter to tow.
Necessarily drive white knuckled the whole time on your way to and from your destination because you're being blown around by the wind and other vehicles on the highway.
Number 5 is it's stealthy. One of my favorite things about this camper is that it doesn't look like a camper. From the outside, it just looks like a work utility trailer, and I love that. We can kind of be incognito if we want to be. And the other thing I really like is when people realize it's a camper and they come in, they just have a wow factor. Number 6 is cargo trailers are built better.
Trailers are better constructed to begin with than your average travel trailer. These are, generally steel framed or aluminum framed, where a lot of these travel trailers are still wooden framed, and it's very flimsy skin. They don't hold up well. They start to rack themselves apart as they get more and more miles placed on them.
7 is better gas mileage.
Towing a lighter vehicle obviously is going to cost you less money in gas.
8, you don't need insurance.
One of the considerations in owning a trailer versus a recreational motorhome is that there's no additional insurance involved for the trailer when it's on the highway. The insurance for the trailer is covered by the vehicle that tows it.
Number 9, less obtrusive. Smaller campers are definitely less obtrusive than big 40-foot long campers. Smaller, lighter camper has to be much easier on the road, and it tears the road up much less. Number 10, more smaller campsites are available. So there's definitely more spots available for smaller campers. We can even fit into a tent site. So there you have it, guys. 10 reasons why we feel it's better to convert to a cargo trailer than to buy a travel trailer. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like our videos.